Hi friends, welcome back to Alaskan Homemaker. Today I'm going to start my tomato seeds. In Alaska, if you're going to start seeds, a lot of them you have to start really early. So let's get started. My husband took some PVC pipe and he has a T right here, and then he put a 90-degree elbow here, and then we have a long pole to hang our light from. So I'm going to see if I can do this by myself. We put some floral wire so that it can hang a little bit lower until the plants get a little bit taller. And I got this light from Amazon, and I will link it in the description below. Okay, we'll get that elbow in. Get this elbow in. This is a 6-foot folding plastic table. It works out good for me because I can set it up for starting seeds, and then I can easily take it down after all the plants get planted. And then I like to tape the bottom of the legs to the table so that it doesn't move. I know you can't see this side. I'll show you on the other side. It's going to be the exact same thing. I've got that box tape. This one wasn't quite long enough, so I'm going to get a longer piece to make sure that doesn't move. And I'm taping both sides. There we go. Now we'll get this plugged in. And then there's a little switch for our garden light. Okay, and I've got my trays here. I save all these plastic containers from plants so that I can start my own plants. And I've been blessed. Friends gave me some plastic containers to start seeds in also. And I like these trays, that way no water gets anywhere. I'm not going to be using all of these right now because later I'm going to be starting other seeds soon, peppers and things. But for now, I'm just going to start the tomatoes. Okay, so the tomatoes I have are, I'm going to do whippersnapper, glacier, sun gold. Amish paste tomatoes are my favorite because I really love that for making tomato sauce. And I've got orange icicle and a mushroom basket tomato. There's the Amish paste, whippersnapper, sun gold cherry, and then glacier. I'm going to do the most of Amish paste tomatoes because they're a thick. They don't have as much water, so I can can a lot of things from those Amish paste tomatoes. And then the other tomatoes we'll use for fresh eating. Okay, I've got my dirt here, and I'm going to put it inside of a big bowl. And you know how the dirt is always dry. I've just got some organic potting soil right here that I'm using. And the dirt's a bit dry. I always make sure I buy some potting soil at the end of the year so that when it's time to plant right now, then I don't have to go to the store. I just already have the dirt ready. You can get so many more plants when you buy the seed packets and start them yourself. The plant starts are so expensive, so I love to start my own plants. That way I can get a lot more for my money. Okay, I've got my bowl of soil here, and I'm going to wet it down. It's very dry, and then if you just put these in your pot and then try to water, it just floats around the seeds and stuff. So I'm just going to wet this down so it's damp. That way my seeds won't float around though. and the soil will be moistened up and ready to go. Looks like it's gonna need a lot of water. This was really dry. It's so exciting. It's gonna be fun to see some green things growing. Today is February 2nd. This is looking better. It's looking good and moist for our seeds. Okay, I'm gonna get these 4x4s and start filling these up. Gotta make sure that the tomatoes are gonna be right under this light. Okay, we're gonna get some more dirt. Okay, and you can see how dry it is, very dry. I'm gonna go run this under the water and I'll be right back. Okay, it needs some more. Okay, we're all ready to start planting now. Okay, I think I'm going to plant my Amish paste tomatoes first. And if some of them don't start, then I'll just replant them. So I like to take a plastic spoon and I write what they are. I'm going to be doing 12 of the Amish paste tomatoes, so I'm not going to label each single one. The ones that I'm doing fewer of, I'll label each one. So I wrote Amish paste tomato. And this whole tray is going to be Amish paste. So I'll just stick the label in there and then I'll start planting these out. Oh, I think I dropped a seed. I'm just going to put it in there and then just barely cover it. And then put a little dirt over the top. It's going to be so exciting to see these coming up. There we go. Okay, and then we have mushroom basket, orange icicle, whippersnapper, single cherry, and glacier. And that's perfect. I will do 2 of each of these. I've got 10 more little pots. Okay, I'm going to do single cherry. Okay, and I am going to mark both of those since the whole tray isn't the same thing. Okay, we've got single cherry, Amish paste, here's glacier. And we've got mushroom basket. That looks like that's going to be a beautiful tomato. Look at that one. Okay, and our last one is orange icicle. I need a couple more plastic spoons. Those look really pretty too. Scoot this down, and while this table, later this whole table is going to be full plus another table full of seeds, but for now I'm going to have these directly underneath the light, and I'll leave the light on for 8 hours a day. I'll just turn it on in the morning and then turn it off at night. So that's the first of our plantings, and we have lots more to go later on. We just have to stagger them. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and a subscribe. Thank you for spending time with me planting today. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.